Today we're making a classic Italian dish with a wild game spin. Pheasant cutlets wrapped in prosciutto, also known as Saltimbocca. Let's get to it. Oh.
First, using a thin, sharp knife, carefully slice the breast meat off the bone, resulting in 2 single breasts. Place the breast in a plastic bag and pound the meat into 1/4-inch thick cutlets. You should get 1 cutlet per breast when working with your average pheasant. Season the cutlets with salt and pepper, then wrap 1 slice of prosciutto around each cutlet, and skewer a large sage leaf on one side. Get a large cast iron pan over medium-high heat, add some oil and butter, and once hot, add your cutlets. Don't overcrowd the pan. If need be, cook in batches. You want to cook the cutlets until they're brown, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes. When you flip the cutlets over, add 2 tablespoons of butter and the remaining extra sage leaves, and continue to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until the cutlets have some nice browning and the sage leaves are crispy. When done, transfer the cutlets and sage leaves to a plate and keep warm. Now, deglaze the pan with some white wine, scraping the brown bits off the pan. Cook for a few minutes to cook the alcohol out and to slightly thicken your sauce. Remove the toothpicks and pour the warm, buttery wine sauce with the extra fried sage leaves over the cutlets and finish with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice.
And that's how we like to make pheasant saltimbocca. It's the perfect wild game dish to serve to hunters and even non-hunters. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you give this recipe a try with some of your own wild game at home or in the field.
Be sure to write in the comments what you want us to cook next. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video.